Don't plus verb. Don't panic. Don't forget. Don't gossip. Don't settle. Don't overuse. Don't overstay. Don't overtake. Don't hesitate. Don't complain. Don't oversleep. Don't overreact. Don't overspend. Don't interrupt. Don't ignore me. Don't overthink. Don't overlook it. Don't overindulge. Don't undermine. Don't overcommit. Don't overextend. Don't overpromise. Don't overestimate. Don't overschedule. Don't resist change. Don't resist change. Don't judge quickly. Don't procrastinate. Don't doubt yourself. Don't overcomplicate. Don't overpack for trips. Don't overexert yourself. Don't underestimate him. Don't overspend recklessly. Don't overstay in the past. Don't overreact to setbacks. Don't overreact to criticism. Don't overlook small details. Don't oversaturate the market. Don't overreact unnecessarily. Don't oversimplify your goals. Don't overstay your invitation. Don't underestimate challenges. Don't overthink minor decisions. Don't overthink minor decisions. Don't overextend your resources. Don't overextend your resources. Don't overcomplicate your goals. Don't overlook the value of time. Don't overanalyze every situation. Don't overdecorate your workspace. Don't overshadow others' opinions. Don't oversimplify complex issues. Don't overstay your allotted time. Don't overshadow achievements. Don't overcomplicate relationships. Don't overanalyze people's motives. Don't overspend on impulse purchases. Don't overlook the beauty in simplicity. Don't overspend on unnecessary luxuries. Don't underestimate the power of kindness. Don't underestimate the impact of a smile. Don't overthink. Sometimes, simplicity is key. Don't underestimate the significance of kindness. Don't underestimate the significance of kindness. Don't underestimate the power of a positive attitude.